Removing garbage disposal. Pretty simple. Take hammer, hit on collar. Is that counterclockwise? I guess it's counterclockwise from the bottom of the garbage disposal, looking up from below. Loosen up coupling. Remove power cord. Garbage disposal free. Removing sink. Remove plumbing coupling. Then we're going to take razor knife along the edge, and we should be free. Remove water supply hookups. We're going to actually take it off all the way down to the supply valves here. The PEX ones that came with the faucet look to be extremely long, so we're not going to probably have to cobble together an extension like we did with the prior fixture. That actually involved it when I replaced this faucet prior, we basically required getting a tubing cutter and trimming these down so we could get the right height for the faucet supply lines. So that's that story. Next little time with my razor knife.